Procrastination is the thief of time, stealing away the opportunities to accomplish our goals and dreams. Whether it's delaying a task for hours, days, or even weeks, procrastination can prevent us from reaching our full potential. But it doesn't have to be this way. By understanding the root causes of procrastination and implementing effective strategies, we can overcome this habit and move towards achieving our goals. Here are some tips and tricks to help you on this journey. 1. Understand the root causes. Fear of failure. Often we procrastinate because we fear the outcome of our efforts. The thought of failing can be paralyzing, leading us to avoid the task altogether. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection can cause delays as we wait for the perfect moment or conditions to start. Lack of motivation. Without a clear sense of purpose or connection to a task, it's easy to put it off. Overwhelm. When a task feels too large or complex, it can lead to procrastination as we struggle to figure out where to start. Understanding why you're procrastinating is the first step in addressing the issue. Once you identify the root cause, you can apply specific strategies to overcome it. 2. Set clear, achievable goals. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the task less daunting and provides a clear roadmap to follow. Use the SMART criteria to set goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Prioritize your tasks. Focus on what's most important and tackle those tasks first. 3. Create a plan and stick to it. Develop a daily or weekly schedule that allocates specific times for each task. Use tools like calendars, planners, or apps to track your progress and stay organized. Be flexible but disciplined. Adjust your plan as needed, but avoid unnecessary delays. Eliminate distractions. Identify what typically distracts you, like social media, phone calls, or noisy environments, and take steps to minimize or eliminate them. Create a dedicated workspace where you can focus solely on your tasks. Use techniques like the Pomodoro Technique, where you work in focused intervals, say 25 minutes, followed by short breaks, to maintain concentration. Develop a positive mindset. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I'll never get this done," try, "I can do this one step at a time." Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and reward yourself for completing tasks, no matter how minor they may seem. Visualize success. Picture yourself completing the task and achieving your goal, which can increase motivation and reduce procrastination. Accountability and support. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or mentor who can hold you accountable. Join a study group, mastermind group, or online community where members support each other's progress. Consider working with a coach or counselor if procrastination is a persistent issue that impacts your life significantly. Practice self-compassion. Understand that everyone procrastinates at some point. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Learn from your mistakes rather than dwelling on them. Reflect on what caused you to procrastinate and how you can address it in the future. Practice self-care. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking breaks to recharge. Take action now. The most important step in overcoming procrastination is to start. Even if it's just a small action, taking that first step can create momentum and make it easier to keep going. Commit to a 5-minute rule, where you start a task for just 5 minutes. Often, once you begin, you'll find it easier to continue. Procrastination is a common challenge, but it doesn't have to stand in the way of your success. By understanding its causes and implementing strategies to overcome it, you can take control of your time and make consistent progress toward your goals. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.